Hey little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start.
Sit facing each other with your legs extended forward and the soles of your feet together. Standing beside each other, bend your outer leg at the knee to stand in tree pose. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing tall and facing each other, interlock your hands with your partner. Standing in front of each other, bend your body and interlock your arms at the arms with your partner, placing the hands on the partner's arms. Standing beside each other, bend your outer leg at the knee to stand in tree pose. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing back to back, interlock your arms with your partners at the elbows. Sit facing your partner with knees bent. Holding your partner's hands, start to place the soles of your feet together. Sit with your legs crossed and your backs resting against each other. Standing and facing each other with fingertips touching, lengthen your arms overhead and lift the same feet off the ground with your partner as the diagonally opposite legs builds more support. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing side by side with your legs wide, hold your inner hands. Entering into double boat pose, slowly move your legs to the sides. Standing and facing opposite direction and backs of your heels touching, reach to take hold of your partner's hands so that your inner elbow is pointing forward. Standing next to each other, your inner feet touching, open your legs wide. Kneeling high and facing opposite direction, place your feet next to your partner's knees and your partner's feet next to your knees. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing side by side with a little distance between you, hold hands. Open your hips like a butterfly.
Amazing work, yoga friends. You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.